Good morning, guys, and welcome back. And so, in the last vlog, you would have seen the house cleanup taking place, and also I showed you the progress that we'd made with the house, and how we put down a new carpet and getting some things into order. Well, we have now finished the house cleanup, and we're very happy, aren't we?
No, it's not. Yeah, it's finished, but the organizing of the things inside is not yet finalized.
There's maybe one or two things, but it's
yeah.
it's pretty much we're back living in our house, and it looks a lot better from the flood now. You know, obviously the flood did a lot of damage, so we want to give you another tour of our province house and show you what has changed in the house. So let's go in and take a look. So I'll close the door. Actually, no, I'll leave the door open because it's light. But this table and all the chairs were basically flooded, so we had to dry them out, clean them down, sanitize them, and look down. We've got a nice new carpet, which I showed you in the last vlog, and yeah, so the carpet is it's a lot brighter than the previous carpet, which is nice. And then the sofa behind us there is also clean, and just a few things that we need to move, but we will get that sorted. And so that was left out to dry, and we'll wash that down and sanitized it. And then the fridge, guys, our fridge, I told you in the last vlog we weren't sure if it was going to work. Well, look at this, guys. There's nothing in our fridge, in our freezer, but it works. Well, we've got some stuff down here, so the fridge is working, so we're very happy about that, aren't we? Yeah, so yeah. But we decided that we would replace the old kitchen unit, and so we bought a more modern one from one of the WD furniture store or dry goods store down in Alibon, and so it's a bit more modern looking, a bit more nice. It's quite nice, more space for our storage, for stuff to be stored. So we've got some of our electrical goods in there, and we have some food, some groceries that we bought just recently. We do need to do more grocery shopping, but that's what we've got so far. And our heater is in there. I'll not open that because there's an extension there. But yeah, so in here we've got our cups and our glasses, which is a nice place to have them, so that instead of them being over there, they're over here and they're not covering dust. And then we've got some cutlery in here, and then just miscellaneous items there as well. And what have we got down here? Is there anything down here? Oh yeah, so we've got more stuff down here. So we've got like different kinds of ingredients for sauces and stuff like that for your food, and then some more of our like wedding gifts that were given to us. So we've still got them. They've been all cleaned and sanitized. And then we just have our stuff for cooking in here. So we've got all the baking trays and the pans. So yeah, we're very happy. It feels like it gives us a bit more space. So the fridge is no longer up on a unit, but it's more open for the fridge, which gives it a bit more room for breathing as well. And guys, it's pretty good because the electrics in our house, the sockets, they're working fine. So there's no issues there at all with the electrics. The flood damage wasn't too bad, just the cabinet, the bed, and the carpet as well. So yeah, it's pretty good. We're pretty happy. So we have, obviously this is our water thing, but we are going to get some kind of furniture for that, aren't we? Like rather than put it on the chair. And then this here, our oven. I think we're going to buy something for that as well, aren't we? To put it on, yeah. And so if you come in here, guys, then the electric fan is on, but we have a nice new bed. It's a steel frame bed, a metal frame bed, isn't it? And it's a bit lower down, but it's nice and comfortable. We've still got the same mattress. The mattress is okay, And we have more light in this area of the house as well. Just look at those two windows there, which brings in a bit of light. And then my office here. My office here has been reorganized, so I have a bit more space and I get a bit more light here as well. So that helps me with working. And I'll just give you a sort of a view of that, so I'm not in the way. And then we have our cabinet here, which is removed. It used to be here, but we've moved it to here, and so that kind of blocks off the dining area as a natural divider. So, and Tina also pointed out it gives us more room for people sleeping here. So it does. So, yeah, that's pretty good. So we feel that we have a bit more space. Yeah, so we feel that we have a bit more space, and Tina was just posing in the mirror there. And the CR, let's show you the CR. There's not much change to the CR, but compared to what it was during the flood, when we came back to the house, so the CR is pretty clean. It's cleaner than what it was when we came back to the house from the flood. It was covered in silt, which you'll see in a photograph I'll attach, or a clip that I'll attach to this. So yeah, I bought a couple of new floor mats as well, and yeah, we're pretty impressed with it. And we have a guest coming to stay as well, so we got our house flooded at the start of the week, renovated midweek, and then we have a guest coming. Well, he's coming to stay tomorrow. So
Yeah, it's his friend.
yeah, so he was well, you'll see in the vlog, but we collaborated last year when I went home for a few weeks in Northern Ireland. So he's come all the way to the Philippines just to see us. Well, he hasn't really come to see us. He's Dylan McClure. He's a vlogger. You'll have seen references to him in our vlog. So he's traveling around the Philippines, but he's going to come to Guimaras. He's going to experience province life for 9 days, guys. So I think he might be in for a culture shock, but we'll see what happens. We'll look after him, so he'll have no issues there. But yeah, so that was just a quick tour of our province house, and I guess we will see you in the next content, guys. Take care. Bye bye.